Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to check how many battery percentage on your laptop. So I'm using Dell Precision laptop, and you can see here I'm using currently Windows 11 OS, and the bottom of the screen you can see there is three icons like internet connectivity, sound, and battery. You can simply use your mouse pointer to that battery portion, then you can see how much battery. Currently, it is fully charged and 100%. You can click there to view more details about it. You can once more click there. Then you will get the battery details here, energy recommendations, and other options. So in this way, you can easily identify how many battery percentage is left on your laptop. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Mac or PC tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.